Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the terrifying power of nature with a look at the most dangerous tsunamis that have struck our world, leaving behind trails of destruction and immense loss. Tsunamis, often caused by undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides, can generate waves that reach heights of over 100 feet. When these waves hit coastal areas, the impact is catastrophic. We start with the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. On December 26th, a massive undersea earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1, 9.3 struck off the west coast of northern Sumatra. The resulting tsunami waves traveled across the Indian Ocean, reaching the shores of 14 countries. Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand were hit the hardest. The human cost was staggering. Over 230,000 people lost their lives and millions were displaced. Entire communities were obliterated, and the economic damage was estimated at over $10 billion. Next, the 2011 Tōhoku tsunami in Japan, which struck on March 11th. Triggered by a magnitude 9.1 undersea earthquake, the tsunami waves reached heights of up to 133 feet and traveled up to 6 miles inland. The waves reached heights of up to 30 feet and inundated the city, leading to fires and widespread destruction. Approximately 60,000 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest tsunamis in European history. Rewinding to November 1st, 1755, we find the Lisbon tsunami, which followed a devastating earthquake. The earthquake and subsequent tsunami virtually destroyed Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. This disaster resulted in the deaths of nearly 16,000 people, with over 2,500 still reported missing. The economic toll was immense, with damages exceeding $235 billion. The tsunami also caused the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster, leading to long-term environmental and health consequences. In 1883, the eruption of Krakatoa in Indonesia generated a series of tsunamis, the largest of which reached heights of 120 feet. The violent eruption and the resulting tsunamis obliterated over 165 coastal villages. More than 36,000 people were killed, and the island of Krakatoa was largely destroyed. The global climate was also affected, with temperatures dropping due to volcanic ash in the atmosphere. While these events are a testament to nature's fury, they also highlight the importance of preparedness and resilience. Advances in early warning systems and disaster response strategies can save lives and mitigate damage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on natural phenomena and their impact on our world. Stay safe and stay informed.